Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome. So in today's video, okay, how are you doing and how is your day? Okay, so are you excited to see me? Yeah, I'm excited to see you too. That's why I'm not seeing you. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be telling you, yeah, before you do this, you have to make sure that you have a soundproof, to shoot the the shouting, the noise and all of that, okay? Because this is fire, this is effective, this is strong, this is gonna make you, okay? Make the original you in case you have run away from your originality. This is going to restore you back, definitely. Okay, all right, so let me take you right into this video so you can see all of the amazing, interesting, ingredients, and this is going to help you. Hey, okay guys, so don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share. Okay, hey guys, now you need a soundproof for you to do this. Yeah, okay, so unfortunately my plantain became ripe. I bought an unripe plantain yesterday, and today it became ripe, and I just have to make this video. So guys, please use unripe plantain, the green plantain, the plantain that is not ripe. That is what is going to work. Don't use this ripe one. I'm only just showing you, yeah, because I bought it unripe yesterday, and before you know it, it became ripe. And since we have to make the video, I just can't go out to get an unripe plantain. So what you need is plantain, African plantain. If you can't get African plantain, go look for African unripe plantain. That is what is going to do the job. You know what I mean? Okay guys, so what you do is that you're going to open up this plantain. There's actually two ways in which you can actually do this, okay? But I'm gonna be showing you just one way right now because I have other ingredients that I want to show you that would support the power of this plantain. Oh my goodness. Okay, so when you open it up, you shred it into any shape that you want. When you're done shredding it, you have to take it into a container that is actually like an airtight container, okay? And then put the unripe plantain inside there, yeah? And then put water, okay? Put enough water for you to be able to consume the next day. Now when you've actually put the plantain into the water and in an airtight container, you cover it up and then you go keep it. So I'm actually going to be keeping this while I show you other ingredients that is actually very needed for this, yeah? So let's go. So I'll actually come back for that later. So these are the ingredients that we need for this booster, this energy. Hey, don't even go there. Okay, let me start by telling you the ingredients. See, this is ginger, okay? Just like the name says, it's going to ginger you, okay? Hey. So what you do is that you just have to peel it all up. And then you would have to shred it also. in your preferred shape and size. Now after which you shred it, then you can put it into a blender. Now you have to put just a little bit of water, okay, to enable you blend this and also to get the juice out of this when you are ready to drink. And then you blend it. Okay, so after blending it for it to be very smooth, then you can sieve it out. Well, if you want to drink it with all of the fiber, it's up to you, but I prefer you just sieve it out so you can actually enjoy your drink. Okay, so you're equally going to be needing some lemon. Okay, now lemon here is actually going to help to reduce the level of sugar in your body, therefore giving you that ginger. Okay, hey, giving you that stamina. Okay, so you're going to be cutting your lemon, and in this you're not going to be needing too much of a lemon. You're not going to be needing too much of lemon, just a little, just like this. See that? Just a little is enough. Okay, do not drink too much of lemon. And then the next ingredient is bitter cola. Now you need 2 bitter cola for this ingredients here. Are you sure?
But there's half.
Bring the half. Okay, so after which and then you cut it. And this is the next one. And yeah, you cut it. Yeah. Now if you can actually eat this bitter cola directly, wow, it is way good. But if you can't eat it directly, fine, you can follow this method. Okay, but obviously you can't actually put all of this in your mouth and just eat like all of the ingredients. Yeah. Okay, so let's blend it. Okay guys, so after blending the bitter cola, sieve it out, and this is what we got. So we're gonna be getting a cup. We're gonna be reaching out to our lemon juice, the ginger juice, and then we're gonna be pouring in the lemon juice. Make sure that your lemon is not too much, your bitter cola juice, and your ginger juice. This is a disease fighting juice, trust me, just trust me. This is actually very effective. You need to soundproof your house before you drink this, otherwise the neighbors are going to come knocking at your door and saying, what's up, what is it, you know, all of that stuff. Okay, I'm actually just kidding, you know. Okay guys, so this is it. You have to drink it when you want to do the job. Yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah. Okay, so for this particular one, you would have to leave this one till the following day before you drink the water. Now, if you cannot just leave it to the following day and drink the water, that means you have to go and boil it. I've actually done a video before where I showed you how, you boil it, drink the water, and eat the unripe plantain. You need to eat it. Let all the calcium get into you, and you are gonna be strong. Like, you're gonna be really, really strong. Okay, so this is, and you drink this as often as you can remember. But for this one, when you want to play Okocha and Ronaldo or Ronaldinho or whatever, whoever you love, yeah, so you drink this and it's going to help you a whole lot. You're going to be thanking me later. Okay, so this is it. Really lovely. So that's it. So unfortunately, I just like I said, my plantain got ripe, but you should use an unripe plantain. That is what you need. Two ways in which you're going to do that. You can either boil it, or you can keep it overnight and take the water. It's going to make you strong. I don't know, but it's going to make you strong. Okay, and the other one is going to remove all of those excess sugar and all of that stuff, hindering you from being your you know what I mean. Okay guys, so that's it. If you do love this video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Yeah, bye guys.